Hi guys, today I do want to show you how to crochet this amazing combination of two stitches. The combination of these two stitches, it will give you the effect of the ribbing that a lot of knitters do by having two knit and one purl. So I think this will be very interesting to all of you that do crochet sweaters, cardigans and everything uphill, because it will help you to crochet your ribbings for all your crochet garments. So let's just start. I'm going to crochet first 10 or 15 chain stitches. So I'm going to crochet 15, maybe 1, 2. You crochet the desired amount of chain stitches. Once you have the desired amount of chain stitches, the first row, we are just going to do slip stitch. So once we crochet one slip stitch row, I'm going to do one chain and I'm going to turn my work. And again, I'm going to skip the first chain. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the second stitch from the hook, but I will only do that at the back loop. So this row is slip stitch through the back loop. So this is the second row with slip stitch. I'm going to crochet one more chain, turn my work, and again skip the first chain that we did, insert the hook in the back loop of the second stitch from the hook, and again a slip stitch. So this is the third row with a slip stitch until we are going back over here. So again, slip stitch through the back loop. Here we are, the third row with the slip stitch is finished. I will do 2 chains, turn my work. I will yarn over. Now at the fourth row I'm going to change the stitch, so I'm going to skip the 2 chains that I did. I will insert the hook at the back loop of the third stitch, and I will pull through a loop and I will crochet a half double crochet. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to crochet a half double crochet through the back loop. So the fourth row is half double crochet through the back loop. And here we are. This is the pattern for a full ribbing, if we can call it that like that. So I'm just going to do now and repeat the same pattern. 3 rows slip stitch through the back loop, 1 row half double crochet through the back loop. So 1 chain and 3 rows with slip stitch through the back loop. And once I finish the 3 rows with a slip stitch, I am going to do again 2 chains. So this is the second one, turn your work, and I'm going to do now 1 row through the back loop with half double crochet. And if you can see here, the effect, it is the same as that one of knitting, two knitting and two purling, or one purling. Same effect that we are having when we are knitting this kind of pattern. So from now on, repeating this pattern by crocheting, you can have your own crochet items with the ribbing as a knitter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this stitch, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!